feeling something special for you. And now you got me thinking till the sun comes up. Daylight and my mind is dreaming. And I'm saying too much couldn't be.
Hi guys, welcome. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Hopefully you guys have already hit that subscribe button, but let's get into details. This is a wig from Nadula Hair. It is their blonde wig. The hairline is not cute, y'all. Like, I look like an old man with a receding hairline, but you're gonna see your girl gonna fix it up. So I pretty much did not do anything to this wig. I did not bleach the knots. I plucked it just a tad bit, not really, because I was really frustrated with this hair. It's not as thick as I thought, and the hair is really frail, so I didn't really manipulate it too much. I also went ahead and I hot combed this hair back, but not too much. And what else did I do to this hair? That's pretty much it. But as you can see here, I had to manipulate the hairline. I had to cut off that little piece because it went up kind of high on my head. This wig also fit very snug, and I think my head may have been too big. I don't know why. I don't have a big head, but it just fit weird, and I didn't even have to cut the ears out because the lace went over my head. So as you'll see me here cutting the lace off and also manipulating the hairline. Thought about cutting it before I actually glued it down, but I decided to wait because it would be better, and I didn't want it to look weird when I laid my hair down. So I'm gonna let you guys continue to watch, and I'm gonna come back and explain more of the process later. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be honest. This hair has so many flyaways, it's ridiculous. Like, I get so frustrated just thinking about it. But the flyaways, I use some spritz to put on them, and then I hot comb it down just to help it stay. I did that part off camera because I didn't realize until I got into the light just how many flyaways were in this wig. Also, this hair does not curl, so if you are looking for a wig that curls, I would suggest you get a different one. But this one, I don't know if it's gonna hold crimps. I thought about doing that and then adding some spritz to it, but that's pretty much it to be noted about this hair. I was going back and forth with it, still trying to figure out how much I like it. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would say I'll give this wig maybe a 6. So yeah, those are things just to be mindful of. Okay, so now that I have her all laid down, now it's time to think about styling. At this point, I thought about cutting the hair because I didn't really like the length. This is a 14-inch, but I should have gotten a 12. I think this hair looks really cute if it's super long or super short. I don't think an in-between is really cute for this hair because it's not so thick. I think they do have the option to get a thicker wig, like a 200% density, but this is 150%. I was really going back and forth with this hair. As you can see, it really doesn't have a lot of body, so I couldn't do a side part, so I just stuck with a middle part because that style looked the best. This hair is very shiny. I don't know how to explain this hair, but it's just not like thick as I thought it would be thick, but it's pretty. I like the dyeing on it. The back, I wish it had a little more highlights. It's just really it's brown in the back. It's not as many highlights, but that's fine. So I did go ahead and I straightened this hair. I also did cut it. The baby hairs, I didn't really do anything dramatic. Did something very light. So yeah, you will see me doing the baby hairs and also straightening the hair in this section. So please sit tight because I'm going to transform this wig because I was looking kind of crazy and I was scared of how it was going to come out. So I'll let you guys continue to watch. at last I did cut this hair and it looks so much better, you guys. I'm in love with how it came out. Yeah, I'm loving this. She is looking so much better. I just have to go over it just a little bit more, but your girl love it like this. So this is how I'm going to be wearing it, and you're going to see the final styling in a second. So yes.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we
Alright, so we have arrived at our final look. She is giving me island vibes. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.